So friends, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is tipped to launch with 16GB of RAM. We have been hearing about a significant RAM upgrade on the next Ultra flagship. Now a credible source disclosed the possible storage configuration. Leaker Jukan Losriv revealed that two Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra variants would have 16GB of RAM. The base variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra may still get 12GB of RAM, but the pre-order promotion could address customer concerns about RAM upgrades. The 256GB model could get 12GB of RAM, while the 512GB and 1TB variants may feature 16GB of RAM. It's a notable upgrade that the next Samsung flagship is bringing as part of offering a more reliable and faster AI task processing. Earlier this year, Samsung launched the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This flagship comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage variant. However, all models are paired with 12GB of RAM, and it was a big reason for Samsung to face criticism. As AI and generative tasks demand more resources, upgrading to 16GB will significantly enhance multitasking and efficiency. As AI and generative tasks demand more resources, upgrading to 16GB RAM will significantly enhance efficiency. Samsung's flagship comes with top-notch hardware and stunningly optimized software. 16GB RAM in the S25 Ultra will offer outstanding experience. Samsung could announce the Galaxy Unpacked in mid-January next year. The event is expected to be held in late January, while release is scheduled for early February. If you pre-ordered, Samsung could offer a free storage upgrade. That said, customers pre-ordering the 256GB model will get the 512GB model delivered. The same case with the 512GB model, bringing you the 1TB variant. So next year you could get 16GB RAM model at the cost of 256GB variant. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.